This is making a lot of hand
Why didn't
sanitizer.
I thought you were just gonna
We're gonna sanitize all the hands in the neighborhood.
No, you got me all messed up.
Okay.
It's Newfie Rose Travel. Okay, let's start again.
Hi everybody, Brad, aka at Shambezel Games on Twitter. I'm here with at Steph Bigley on Twitter, also known as what on Instagram?
At Newfie Rose Travel.
Newfie Rose Travel, there you go. And of course, we're not doing a lot of traveling right now. We're just staying home, trying to stay sane and occupy ourselves. We saw a lot of recipes, I guess, or ideas going around about how to make your own sanitizer, and that's great. But we thought we'd show you how to do it today on camera, and we'll see how it goes. So it's fairly simple. You just need some kind of gel carrier. In a lot of cases, your typical aloe vera gel apparently does pretty well. And you want to use 99% isopropyl alcohol. This is just your standard topical rubbing alcohol. So nothing else. So no other crazy chemical ingredients. In a lot of cases, your average run-of-the-mill hand sanitizer is just alcohol in a gel carrier. So that's some of the feedback we've gotten from the community. So we're actually going to see how this goes, and hopefully it will work well. Let's see what happens. So first of all, the ratios are simply 2 parts alcohol to 1 part gel carrier, or in our case, this aloe vera gel. We just have your standard kind of no-name generic, because they're not sponsoring this video, aloe soothing gel. It's After Sun, which we won't really need for a while because we're not going to the beach anytime soon.
And we are in Canada.
That's right. So it could be a comment on COVID, or it could be a comment on the fact that Canadian summer starts end of July-ish. So either way, we've got a ways to go. But let's jump in here. So I'm gonna, here you go.
What? No, stop. I don't want it on me.
Hold that.
You didn't grab a spatula though. So.
Actually, that's right. Let's do the alcohol first, because that's easier to clean.
I'm really glad I'm holding this.
I hope this doesn't destroy our dining room table either.
Well, don't pour it on our dining room table.
Well, let's see. We're just gonna pour 2 parts alcohol. 1. Dude, this is making a lot of hand sanitizer.
I thought you were just gonna make this.
We're gonna sanitize all the hands in the neighborhood.
Too much.
Today,
we literally only have these little containers to put it in.
It's pungent, so let's work quick here.
Why didn't you?
I'm doing the thing. I'm doing the thing.
Oh my god.
It's so the isopropyl alcohol is probably evaporating right now. Blurp, blurp, blurp. It's like Jello.
Ugh, I hate Jello.
It's like Jello. You want to try it?
Okay, no, that's enough. That's enough.
No, more.
That's enough.
More green stuff.
Oh my god.
They also say you can add. They also say you can add.
What? No, we're gonna use it to scoop it out.
There. Oh, we need a plastic bag to fill the things at some point.
Okay.
So let's do this. This looks right. I think it's working, everybody. I think it's working. They also say that you can add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil.
Oh, we have those.
I know. I just like green smell. Green is my favorite scent.
I want to mix
go with
it.
This. You want to mix it? Okay, slowly. Careful.
I'm a baker. Don't tell me how to mix.
Bake it good.
This is really watery, Brad.
I think Steph put too much alcohol in there.
This is not. This is just water.
It's not working.
It's really not.
Hand water sanitizer. Water, Santa water.
We're just doing it.
Sandy
We're
water.
just going to do it this way now.
Just put it all in there. Just do it. Just get all of it in there.
Come on.
This is how the pros do it.
That's really good.
And then when you're finished, put it in the fridge to set for about an hour and go buy some sanitizer.
Wait.
Sanitizer.
Are you supposed to put it in the fridge to set?
Sanitizer.
Wait, are you actually supposed to put it in the fridge?
No, I just made that up.
That sounds right, though. That seems like a thing.
This is our first and best DIY video.
This is so bad.
I think it's working.
Is it supposed to be thick?
I don't know.
Well, like hand sanitizer.
I've never done this before.
Hand sanitizer. This is wrong. This looks like
perfect.
It looks like Ninja Turtle green slime.
There you go.
Know that?
And you can. Now my hands are so clean.
Wait, look, it's really easy to fill the bottles. Ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is good. This is good. This is a good result.
Guys.
This is a good result. So now you can do this at home and have the same or better success. Let us know how your homemade sanitizer projects are going, and stay safe, stay clean, and stay away from each other.
Well, my hands are sanitized for forever. I literally have just 99%
Yeah.
alcohol in my hands now.
We're going to perfect this recipe hopefully by or around the same time as we figure out this whole COVID situation. Okay, we've got a quick update. It just turns out I will not let this go. So Steph is skeptical, but I deduced that our ratios are just a little off. So maybe
Your
2
ratios.
alcohol hour. We're a team.
Not it. Only if it works.
We do it together. My ratios were a little bit off. So 2 alcohol to 1 gel is a little bit aggressive. So we just put in about another half portion of gel. And as you can see, the consistency is much better. Okay, so this worked out well. After about 20 minutes in the fridge, Steph is going to fill our little reusable, I guess now reusable.
It's the scent of dancing waters, which apparently smells like alcohol.
That's not what it smells like now.
Smell of
All right, let's do it.
Oh my God.
Spoon it in. Spoon it in into a Ziploc bag, preferably Star Wars / Stormtrooper themed.
Oh.
Excellent.
Oh, maybe not.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God. There's so much. Oh,
Why
no.
did you cut it huge?
I didn't mean
We're
to.
good at this.
Oh God.
Yeah, there you
All right. Well, do you need to like use some sanitizer?
go.
Oh.
Ugh, sweet. Very nice. And of course, sanitizing is complementary to good hand washing techniques, not a replacement. Much love to everybody. Stay sane out there, and follow me at Chambezel Games, and follow Steph at Steph Bigley on Twitter or on Instagram at Newfie Rose Travel.
Maybe an underscore. I don't remember.
We'll figure it out, and it'll all be in the post for you. Bye.